you're hoping that Kurashev turns that corner and, regains his mojo that he had last year.
Puck played in deep, fed back towards Stahl. Missed him, kept on side just by Walker, and that shot changed direction and rang off the goalpost. Stahl feeds it back. Another shot by Walker, bouncing around, winds up in the corner. Well, they are quite a formidable physical presence back there on the blue line as apparent. Here comes Mikheyev racing to the nets. Nazar, shot Mikheyev, and that's stopped by Anderson. His first save of the night. Mikheyev was looking for his second shorthanded goal of the season. He has the only one so far for the Hawks. Now Aho in. Here's Jarvis. Aho, stop Mrazek. Rebound Mikheyev on it again, and he'll bring it out.
Really competitive, won a lot of board battles as well, but, look
at Foligno, right in. Stopped by Anderson. Rebound still loose. Anderson definitely able to scoop it up. Panger, apologies. Foligno, the captain. What a move.
Wanted to go back quickly to get it.
Here's Teravainen, 8 years with the Canes. Now a chance, Dickinson right in. Stopped by Anderson. Natchez chasing. Trying to pass off the boards, gets knocked down. Good aggressive play by Vlasic. Allows Crevier to get the puck ahead. Now tipped in by Donato. Steps around Slavin. Donato in front, and they score! Kurashev pulls a Bertuzzi and makes it 1-0 Hawks.
Great grin on his face as he goes by and swats the fist with the boys on the bench. Keep your eye in the middle of the ice right here. And Kurashev, he does. He goes down on one knee, a la Bertuzzi, but he does get it on the stick. What a brilliant pass, though, by Ryan Donato. Beyond the two defensemen here, on the backhand, and beyond the goaltender, who is fairly passive with his stick. He could have knocked that out, but he doesn't.
8 years in Carolina before returning to the Hawks in the summer. Here's Bertuzzi with a pass to Nazar. Trying to work it off the boards. Comes back to Jones. Quick shot deflected. Stopped by Anderson. Bertuzzi with a hit. Banks it in off the back of Anderson. Right on cue. Tyler Bertuzzi. 2-0 Hawks.
End of that blade right there. And here, as he gets to the front of that, another good shot by the point man, Seth Jones. And here, this is quickness. I mean, total alertness of where the goalie is, but the hands. Quick draw McGraw right here. And he banks it right off the goaltender, Anderson, who at this point here, he's looking to his right. Now he looks to his left. And it is a perfectly executed, I would call that a box lacrosse. Keep thinking of that reaction of...
There's a chance in front, and a good save there by Mrazek, this time off Stahl. Tipped on goal, another pad save on the redirection. That pass was deflected, and he couldn't get a shot away. Off the draw, the Canes were able to clear it all the way down.
I thought Anderson had a pretty darn good first period, even though it was down 2-0.
Yeah, if you missed off the top of the show, he's been out since late October, knee surgery. Missed 5 months last year with a pulmonary embolism. Here's a chance, shorthanded. Jarvis scores to the backhand. Put it over the pad, and it's a one-goal game.
Of the offensive zone right here, Connor's got it, goes to the backhand, but the good long stick of Slavin. I mean, some of it's a little bit of luck. It's a game of inches, as we mentioned before, but Slavin's stick and reach was able to knock that puck out of the zone, and then a brilliant pass over there originally, and then to Jarvis, who makes a forehand backhand move, freezes the goaltender, and right there, it looked like Jones.
Lifted out by Drury. That'll bounce to center, and he's back on it. Jack Drury over the line with a play to the wing for Roslovic. Hawks have a chance here, though. Mikheyev with a bit of room off the right side. A shot. He put it just wide. That didn't miss by much.
Managing the puck, getting the lines, playing a road game, playing the most boring game you can come up with, but being solid in the decisions you make so that the player that is coming on for you isn't in a bad spot.
There's a chance in the goal on a tap-in on the back door by Kotkaniemi. Quick pass through the crease, and this one's all tied up at 2.
It usually generates a lot of their ozone pressure by firing the puck from the points. In the last 10 games, they got 107 shots from their defensemen only. But here, by doing so, now they're going hard down low. And they're creating a cycle game right here. And this is a nice play by Robinson. Undetected. He turned his hands over right there. And you can see that Kotkaniemi got on the inside of Brody. Brody can't get that stick up. And he just taps that in with a firm hand on the bottom.
Inside 5 to go in the second period. In a 2-2 tie. Svechnikov passing, pad save by Mrazek on that chance. Nice stop there on the quick shot.
It's been the down low game for Carolina, Rick.
Yep.
That's how they've had success here in this period.
And they look to keep the pressure on. Flipped in front, gloved away, not out. Orlov able to keep it onside. Feeds it down low, back in front. Jammed on goal by Blake. And Mrazek able to fight that off. Play continues. Martinook and Crevier came together as the puck comes back in front. Vlasic's there to pick it up, and he'll bring it out. Hawks working in, 4 wide. Here's Vlasic in deep in front, and that pass blocked. Back in front again. Stopped by Anderson. Got a piece of that with the glove.
A lot of bodies in front of the goaltender, but good rush there. Vlasic gets a nice little give and go there from Bertuzzi, and then tries to feed it to Nazar. It gets intercepted, but he punches it right back there to Bertuzzi. Sean Walker's down on the ice. Look at the way Anderson got to move back to one side and makes a terrific glove save there. Sometimes it's not scripted, but this is outstanding.
Hawks back on it. Little tip pass by Kurashev. Donato couldn't settle it down, but a nice job by Hall to kick it up to his stick as he works it in his offside pass. Front, they scored! Donato from Hall! With 18.7 left in the period, the Hawks are back on top.
Well, that's the way to change things around. Bedard and Bertuzzi line 5-on-5. And then the Reichel line had something going, and now entering the zone, Hall makes a backhand pass that is absolutely perfect. And Donato, as we well know, has great concentration. And this one was clean to the short side. And he goes right away. What a pass.
That Jason played 871 games. Here's a chance. Necas, big save. Mrazek, another one. He stopped Robinson on the rebound. 2 nice stops there to keep the Hawks up by 1. Jones will clear. High flipper bouncing. Nazar cuts in front. Anderson with the save. Rebound in behind. Played back in front for Bedard, but he couldn't get a stick to it. Puck sits loose. Chopped to the end boards. Finally controlled by Chatfield. Cleared out the center. A scrambler here. Now the Canes on the attack, and that shot whistles wide.
Not by much. Good low
let it go.
Yeah, sure was.
Fed off the boards. Sharp angle. Mrazek, 2 big saves there off Necas, who whacks away. There's a shot from Chatfield that didn't get through. Hit a foot in front. Puck sits loose. Backhanded by Stahl. Pinball drill. Pad save by Mrazek. Rebound. Mrazek down. Puck still loose. Where is it? Finally under. Mrazek's able to cover it up. He's 3 feet out of the crease on his back.
And shot again. The Canes trying to dial it up, down low, get it back high. A backhand attempt, that's blocked. But then the right pad save. And then the other one that ends up between his legs. Now he's doing a snow angel. Now everybody's got a battle. Someone take care of the empty net behind him. And you see Brody's trying to react after that quick save. And boy, oh boy.
Gets some help. Stahl able to make a play back to Chatfield. There's a wrister, stopped by Mrazek, and he covers the rebound.
He's got it.
It's in there. Now it's loose behind him, and they score! Referee right there, and Stahl's able to reach in between the pads and tuck it in as the puck sat between the legs of Mrazek.
Point, but obviously the Canes are celebrating like it is the game-time goal. Here's the shot. Now is it between? No, it's right between. Right between. And it is, look at the referee's in great position right there. I mean, listen, give the referee credit. Because he saw the puck from his angle the whole time. Brody sees it too, but now Brody can't cover the puck at all with his glove.
Chatfield gets it back down low one more time. Svechnikov, bank pass. Orlov can't handle it. Hops up. Here's a breakaway. Bertuzzi all alone. Nazar with him. Bertuzzi stopped by Anderson. Glove save. What a chance for Bertuzzi. Picked up by Stahl, put in front, deflected, stopped by Mrazek on the redirection by Martinook, and Foligno able to clear it out. This one headed to overtime. Plays it across to Marty Necas, and away he goes. Into the zone, stops in the circle with a pass over one time, and they score! Ripped home. Beautiful shot. And Aho with the overtime winner as the Canes come from behind and knock off the Hawks 4-3.
It's a beautiful pass by Necas. Reverses the flow. He's got the puck right here. He enters the zone. And here he goes to the backhand, forehand. He waits. And Aho gets everything on this one. I mean, it's a 90-mile-an-hour one-timer. And Mrazek, you can see here, he's got to respect Necas. And then this one here, I mean, it's just as clean as it gets. And right away, the Canes players went right over to Freddie Anderson, who made a lot of really strong saves on the road just to kind of weather a few storms when they were down 2-0.